Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you love your tea and coffee sweetened, but you are watching your calories, I definitely recommend you to check out this Lakanto Classic Monkfruit Sweetener with erythritol. This is delicious, and there's many things I love about this sweetener. It has zero net carbs, it's non-GMO, it has 0 calories, yes, no calories at all. And this is a perfect sugar replacement with the ratio of 1:1, and it's also keto friendly. I love my coffee with a little bit of sweetener, and this is a perfect replacement, not only for those coffee drinkers, but also for the tea drinkers, or for those of you that love baking desserts. This is perfect, and I also appreciate that there's no aftertaste at all. So if you're looking for the all sweet but no sugar added, definitely go with this sweetener.
And that is my point of view.